Yeah,
Ooh.
yeah, it's strong.
Woo!
The end of the tool snapped. The middle part is still okay, and the result was 640 kilos. Okay, looking good. Okay, we have pretty good amount of Legos there. The thickness is going to be good. Hey, hey, the donut is ready. Look how stupidly nice it is. Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah, hey, let's clean the table and then have a look what we made. Lego donut. And couple Legos came loose from here, but otherwise this feels quite solid. Of course, I don't want to push it. It was pretty hard to do. Deep sea chamber is just pressure chamber that we fill with water, and then you can place whatever you want inside of the chamber, and it's going to be crushed by the water pressure.
Yes. Wow.
Okay, 1.6 kilometers or 1 mile. Oh, that's nice.
beautiful.
Should we go more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go all the way. Okay, now the magic happens. Oh no, we lost the seal.
Ready?
And here we go. We go. Two, one.
Finish him! Fatality.
Okay, didn't explode. Okay, they are pretty flat, and I'm not sure is this going to come out in one piece. Hey, that's pretty cool.
Oi!
It's not exactly solid. There is still like air gaps here, but I'm going to declare that this is success. That was nice! Check how long these are. But pretty good. I think this is pretty good result, and this is much faster than with the extruder 5 million. Ah! What the hell?